Manifest and grow money the right way. Welcome to Money in Mind, a fun and friendly channel that will bring you high-quality financial advice towards happiness and success. It's a dream for many people to live a comfortable life. Who would want to be stuck on the poverty line all their lives? To achieve financial comfort, one must ditch the old bad habits, dragging their chances to succeed. It's not just about getting an excellent job with good pay. Earning enough is one thing, but your attitude towards your finances speaks volumes. So in today's video, we are counting down ways to manifest and grow money the right way. Number 1. Open a savings account. The best way to start a healthy financial routine is by opening a bank account. You may even see parents open accounts for their children. So if an 8-year-old grade schooler can earn a certain amount for savings, why can't you? If you have a regular job, you should be responsible enough to save up at least 20% of your net income and deposit this directly to the bank. It's not always easy to stash a portion of your money in your account because, most of the time, our salaries do not match the necessities of our daily life. But it's all about discipline and sacrifice. If you want to save for your future, literally save for your future. When you get the hang out of allocating a fixed percentage of your monthly income to your bank account, saving money will be a habit. Number 2. Avoid debts. We're not saying all debts are evil and dangerous. Some debts are helpful and can get you out of trouble. What's scary is when you don't know how to pay your dues on time. And the longer you can pay for your debts, the more interest grows daily and becomes even more challenging to settle. Debts can steal your peace of mind. Some people sign up for more loans to recover from debts, which worsens everything. With debt, you will be stuck in a never-ending cycle of struggle, and trust us, you don't want to experience that. If you can't avoid debts, be responsible enough to pay on time. Number 3. Open a retirement fund. Everyone is bound to get old, and we will reach a point in our lives when we are no longer strong enough to work. This is why starting a retirement fund today is necessary to put security to ourselves and our families when we are no longer earning. Many elders regretted not investing in retirement funds when they were younger. And you don't want to experience that either, do you? With your savings in the bank, open a retirement fund account and start building your actual future. As they say, it's never too early to start. Before we continue with this video, don't forget to like this content and hit the subscribe button to get instant updates from Money in Mind. Alright, now back to our list of ways to manifest and grow money the right way. Number 4. Listen to expert advice. So, you're considering asking for expert financial advice? This means you are ready to take a leap and make your money grow. Many people feel that hiring financial experts are expensive and only the rich can pay for them. This is a common misconception. And while hiring financial experts isn't always the number one option that you should take, asking for their help is also not a bad idea. Let's say you don't know how to spend your $100,000 separation pay from a company you recently resigned from, or maybe you don't know if you can buy a house and car with your $300,000 savings. Perhaps you won $1 million and you're clueless about what to do about the huge amount of money right in front of you, or maybe you just need help to manage your finances well. Many experts are willing to help you with your financial issues, and sometimes hiring them is worth it, especially when you have no idea how things work with money. Number 5. Invest the right way. When people start talking about investments, you probably all thought of the same thing: scams. People get scammed every day because they entered a deal that even they did not fully understand. Some people lose all their money because they think they can trust an agency or company, but some good folks are still out there. You have to be knowledgeable enough to know what's real and risky. Well, every investment is a risk. If you want to take that risk, it's up to you. But know that there are many consequences, and you should be ready for it. Do you want to know what type of investment has zero to few risks? Investing in knowledge and skills. The best investment you can give yourself is the chance to explore more information and abilities that may help you as an individual. Take online courses, get side jobs, and do freelance work. There are many growth opportunities, and you have to say yes. If you invest in these opportunities, you build your confidence and portfolio, which gives you a better shot at a better life. Number 6. Take care of your assets. Many forget that maintaining their assets is an essential aspect of their lives. They keep striving for more and hope to grow their money, but they don't know how to take care of the things they currently possess. For example, your 1-year-old smartphone is already losing its functioning power because you didn't put enough care into your gadget. Most of the time, repair costs are more expensive than a brand new phone, so you purchase a new one. The same goes for your clothes, shoes, accessories, house, and car. If you don't take good care of these material things that you own, you'll be losing them and spending a lot more by replacing them. Don't forget about your health too. If you don't take care of your body, you'll need more medical treatments in the long run. We don't want that, do we? And finally, number 7, manifest your goals. There's a saying that goes, if you know you can, you definitely can. One of the most important ways to achieve a financial dream is by believing that you can reach your goals. If you don't believe that you will, you might lose the motivation to continue saving or open a retirement fund. This is why manifesting your goals into reality makes a huge difference. Why not write down the things you want to happen financially? Do you know how people who love travel cut out popular scenic destinations from magazines and post them on a dream board? The dream board keeps them motivated to achieve their travel desires. You can do your own version of this dream board. Maybe you can create a checklist of the things you wish to fulfill and always include your purpose. Do you want to earn more to secure a good life for your loved ones? Write that down and find inspiration for the purpose. If you want to grow your money to live comfortably, it's not always about your financial management knowledge. Some earn millions and still lose their earnings. Instead, it would be best if you were wise in achieving your dreams. Find that good purpose for how you want to earn better and enjoy the many beautiful things this world can give. And those are the ways to manifest and grow your money the right way. Comment your thoughts, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Money in Mind and join us on this exciting journey. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.